I'm fighting the wind, and I got the DJI Mic 2 and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and I'm watching every day on Amazon if the Insta360 Luna Ultra in white will be in stock, as while I'm watching the black, how it comes in and out of stock, next day order. Now, depending on the model and who's selling it, it could be as far away as August to get one. It's amazing how popular this camera now has become and being sold on the market. I already got an extra Muse. I use it primarily for my products, my reviews. I occasionally grab it and take it out. I'm afraid if I get an Insta360 Luna Ultra that I'll switch on over to it, or just going to sit on the shelf and I'm going to continue to use my extra Muse as my product showcase camera. And like other cameras I have, they're just going to sit on the side and one day I'll grab. Well, the thing is, I ordered and then I got again an Insta360 free-framing selfie stick, and I have my X5 that sits on the shelf. I'm going to try to get out and use it, and it's going to act like my Insta360 Luna Ultra. I don't want to buy it at retail, and Prime and Father's Day is come and go, and there may not be a price drop, but Insta360 says we're going to give 200 off in the next number of days, and I want to see what that was all about and what the price of this camera is going to be, if it's $1 or $2 off or nothing at all. I'm going to head over to the bagel store. I'm going to go get some bagels in the meantime. I got my bagel. I didn't see a good selection today, but yeah. Now, there are good selections out there. Insta360 Luna Ultra, DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, and soon to come, you got it, the extra Muse 2 Pro. They also got in the names the extra Muse 2 Plus. Now, what's that going to be about? Because the Insta360 Luna was supposed to come out as well, and that wasn't supposed to be, one camera. It's supposed to be two cameras. So the Muse is coming out with two cameras, the Pro and the Plus. Now, is the Pro the better or the Plus the better? No one knows. But this is how it goes. And I'll tell you, since the Luna Ultra is the top of the line camera, they might as well not release the basic model because they want to sell the top of the line model. And that may push out the basic models. And that's what Extra probably did. They pulled off the imitated, the look-alike, the clone DJI Osmo Pocket 4 that people out there are saying. I'm going to make a stage left. Let me see what the water looks like. Now, it's windy, it's kicking, and my mirror here is loose once again, and I always keep tightening it. I have to go get a star washer. Well, it is a nice slow bike ride back. Yes, indeed. And I am, again, just thinking out loud what I like to do, what I am going to do. I don't need it all. I got a camera. I'm going to grab what I got, and I'm going to use what I got and enjoy what I got. I could get the shots I want just as nicely with what I have. The thing is, I watch a number of videos. I watch many videos, and it's really tempting to go get one. But for me, I don't do much. The camera I got is my hobby. I said maybe a vlog or two before this. Maybe I'll go back to my static shots and just show and put music to. I don't want to go backwards. I want to go forward, but I feel like I am being pushed backwards. We got street lines being made. I'm going over them right now. And we got gas prices dropping down, $3.99. And best of all, Big Brother's all over. Signs all over the place, traffic lights, speed, sound, red light camera. All over the joint, even two at the same spot. Well, I am Fish, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, this outing on the Cannondale Adventure 2. Going out, having fun, talking about the things I like. A love and hate relationship. On that note, I'm Fish. See you on the next one.